Welcome to my video lesson. Today we solve some MCQs on line and plane. All these MCQs are important for JEE Main and MHT CET. We solve this MCQ by using some tricks and shortcuts method. So first MCQ is direction ratios of a line are 2, 3, minus 6. Then direction cosines of a line making a obtuse angle with y-axis are option A 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7. Option B minus 2 by 7 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7. Option C minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7 6 by 7. Option D minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7. In this problem, direction ratios of a lines are given and direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 6. And we know that the direction ratios are denoted by letters small a, small b and small c. And direction cosines are denoted by the letters small l, m, n. Again, we know that the formula for finding out the direction cosines, that is L is equals to A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. M is equals to under root B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. N is equals to C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. By use this trick and find out the answer of this problem. So first we find here the direction cosines of the line. First we find here the direction cosines of the line. That is, the direction ratios of a lines are given. So here direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 6. Then we find here the direction cosines of a line. And direction cosines are 2 upon under root 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 square, that is 9, plus minus 6 square, that is 36. Similarly here 3 upon, again the denominator is equal, that is under root 4 plus 9 plus 36, minus 6 upon under root 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 square, that is 9, minus 6 square, that is 36. Then we add this, so we get here 49, that is under root 49, 2 upon under root 49. And by now that under root 49 is equals to 7, therefore here 2 by 7, 3 by 7, minus 6 by 7 are the direction cosines of a lines whose direction ratios are given, that is 2, 3, minus 6. Therefore, the direction cosines of a line whose direction ratios are given 2, 3, minus 6 are 2 by 7, 3 by 7, minus 6 by 7. Again in the problem, it is given that then the direction cosines of a line making obtuse angle with the y-axis, that is here we find the direction cosines of a line making obtuse angle with y-axis. Again, we read this problem carefully. Direction ratios of a line are 2, 3, minus 6. Then direction cosines of a line making obtuse angle with y-axis are. So here we find the direction cosines of a line with makes obtuse angle with y-axis. And we know that let alpha, beta and gamma be the angle made by the line with the coordinate axis. That is, beta is the obtuse angle made by the line with y-axis. Therefore, if beta is obtuse, then cos beta is negative. That is, cos beta is strictly less than 0. Therefore, the direction cosine m is negative. So multiply this direction cosines by negative signs. Then we get the direction cosines of the required line. Therefore, the direction cosines of the required line are 2 by 7. Here multiply negative sign, that is minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, negative negative positive, so we get 6 by 7. Therefore, here the direction cosines of the required line are minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, here 6 by 7. That is, here C is the correct option. Next, second MCQ. And second MCQ is, a line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Then cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equals to option A 1, option B 2, option C minus 1, option D minus 2. In this problem, it is given that alpha, beta, and gamma be the angle made by the line with the coordinate axis, that is x, y, and z axis. Then here we find cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equals to what? So we know that the identity in three-dimensional geometry, and that identity is, if alpha, beta, and gamma be the angle made by the line with coordinate axis, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, which is equals to 1. So we use here this identity. Here cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. Then here we use the double angle formula for cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, and cos 2 gamma. If I use here the double angle formula, then cos square alpha is equals to 1 plus cos 2 alpha upon 2 plus cos square beta by using the double angle formula for cos 2 beta, then we get 1 plus cos 2 beta upon 2 plus cos square gamma. Again, we use here the double angle formula for cos 2 gamma. So we get 1 plus cos 2 gamma upon 2, which is equals to 1. Here denominator is equal, then we add the numerator. First we add here cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. We add this here cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equals to, then we add here the constant term 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, and this 2 into 1. So we get here 2. Then 2 minus 3, so we get here minus 2. Therefore, cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equals to minus 1. That is, here C is the correct option. That is, by solve the MCQs with the help of shortcuts method. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Next MCQ. Again, one simple MCQ. If the direction cosines of a line, if the direction cosines of a line are k by 3, k by 3, k by 3, then the value of k is option A, k greater than 0, option B, k is equals to 13, option C, 0 strictly less than k, less than 1, that is here k lie in between 0 and 1. Option D, k equals to plus or minus root 3. In this problem, the direction cosines of a line are given. And here the direction cosines of line are k by 3, k by 3, k by 3. Then we find the value of k. So in three-dimensional geometry, we know that one theorem, that theorem can be used here. If L, M, N are the direction cosines of a line, then L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. We use this theorem and find out the value of k. Here L is k by 3. Again M, k by 3. N, k by 3. Then here we find L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. L square, k square by 9. Plus M square, again k square by 9. Plus N square, again k square by 9. So k square by 9 plus k square by 9 plus k square by 9. So we get 3 k square by 9, which is equals to 1. 3 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9. Therefore, k square is equals to 3. Therefore, k equals to plus or minus root 3. That is here D is the correct option. So first here we solve the problem orally. Then we drop the answer in short. Since we know that the theorem, and the theorem is L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1, where L, M, N are direction cosines of a line. L, M, N are given in this problem, that is k by 3, k by 3, k by 3. So we put here L is equals to k by 3. So k by 3 whole square, that is k square by 9. Again here k square by 9, here k square by 9. So we get 3k square by 9 is equals to 1. 3 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9. Therefore k square is equals to 3 and 1, k square is equals to 3. Therefore k is equals to plus or minus root 3. So here D is the correct option. So this is one shortcuts method for finding the value of k if here the direction cosine, in short DCS, are given. Next, this is problem, this is the MCQ on plane. Distance of plane vector r dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k plus 2 equals to 0 from origin is option A 2, option B 14, option C minus 2 by 7, option D 2 by 7. So here one vector equations of the plane is given, and we convert this vector equation into normal form, that is the normal form of plane. So this equation can be written as vector r dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k is equals to minus 2, is equals to minus 2. Then multiply both sides by negative sign. So we get here vector r dot minus 2i, here minus 3j, negative negative positive, plus 6k, which is equals to 2. And then we find here the DCS, that is the direction cosines of a line parallel to this vector. Here DRS of the lines are given, that is minus 2, minus 3, 6 after multiplications of negative sign. Minus 2, minus 3, plus 6, which is equals to here 2. Therefore, here the solution is first we write the normal form of the plane. Vector r dot, that is vector r as it is, dot. Here we find DCS of a line whose DRS are given, and DRS are minus 2, minus 3, here plus 6. So minus 2 upon under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. That is root 49. And root 49, 7. So minus 2 by 7i minus 3 by 7j plus 6 by 7k. So for this we divide both sides by 7. So here write 7, 7, 7. Here 2 by 7. And this is the normal form of the plane. Therefore here the distance is equals to 2 by 7. Therefore distance is equals to 2 by 7. So here D is the correct option. Next problem. Again, one of very most important multiple choice questions for JEE and Maharashtra State CET. We read here the problem carefully. The Cartesian equations of line AB is 2x minus 1 upon root 3 is equals to y plus 2 upon 2 equals to z minus 3 upon 3. Then the direction cosines of a line parallel to AB are. And here options are option A root 3 upon root 55, 4 upon root 55, 6 upon root 55. Option B root 3 upon root 43, 2 upon root 43, 6 upon root 43. Option C, root 3 upon under root 28, 4 upon under root 28, 3 upon under root 28. Option D, root 3 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So first, we understand the problem. One Cartesian equations of a line is given. That is here line AB, whose Cartesian equation is given. Then we find here the DCS or direction cosines of a line parallel to AB. And we know that in three-dimensional geometry, this is one key point. We know that in three-dimensional geometry, two lines are parallel, then their DRS are equal. And if I now the DRS, from this DRS we find DCS by using the formula L is equals to A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. M is equals to B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. N is equals to C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. So first here we find the DRS of the line AB. And here the Cartesian equations of the line AB is given. And from these equations, we find the DRS of the line AB. So by now that the Cartesian equations of the line passing through the point P x1 y1 having DRS ABC is x minus x1 upon A is equals to y minus y1 upon B is equals to z minus z1 upon C, where A, B, C are DRS of the line. So we convert this Cartesian equation in the form of x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. We convert the given Cartesian equations. So for this, from this numerator 2 take common. If we take 2 common, then we get 2 in bracket x minus 1 by 2. From numerator here 2 take common, then x minus 1 by 2 upon root 3 is equals to y plus 2 upon 2 as it is equals to z minus 3 upon 3 as it is. So here from numerator to take common, this is the given equations of the Cartesian. This is given Cartesian equations of the line AB. From numerator to take common x minus 1 by 2 upon root 3, which is equals to y plus 2 upon 2 equals to z minus 3 upon 3 as it is. Then here divided both sides by 2. 2 2 here get cancelled. Here 2 into 2 4. Here 2 into 3 6. So x minus 1 by 2 upon root 3 is equals to y plus 2 upon 2 into 2 4 is equals to z minus 3 2 into 3 6. That is here divided both sides by 2. Then here 2 2 get cancelled. So x minus 1 by 2 upon root 3. Again we repeat this. Divided both sides by 2, then 2 2 get cancelled. X minus 1 by 2 upon 2 root 3, which is equals to y plus 2 upon 2 into 2. So right here 4 is equals to z minus 3 upon 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore here the DRS of the line AB are root 3, 4, 6. Therefore, the DRS of the line parallel to line AB are also root 3, 4, 6. So here DRS of the line parallel to AB are root 3, 4 and 6. Then we find here DCS of the line parallel to AB. Therefore here the DCS are root 3 upon root 3 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. So root 3 upon under root 3 square, that is 3, 4 square, that is 16, then 6 square, that is 36. So 36 here plus here 3, that is 39, 39 plus 16, so 55, that is here root 55, means here root 3 upon root 55, 4 upon root 55, similarly 6 upon root 55. And this is the direction cosines of a line which is parallel to line AB, whose Cartesian equation is given. Therefore, here A is the correct option. A is the correct option. In this way, by solve the MCQ in line and plane using the shortcuts method, or some MCQs, by solve some MCQs orally also. So if I like, again I request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you.